A full song written, sung, produced, and ready to use before your coffee even gets cold. No studio, no session musicians, no producer charging you by the hour for a track that you're not even sure you'll keep. Just you, an idea, and MusicCreator.ai, turning it into a real finished song. In fact, the tracks that you are hearing right now were actually created with MusicCreator.ai. Here are a couple more tracks from different genres. Welcome to What's Next. My name is Tyler, and here we focus on helping people navigate the world of online work. So if you're a freelancer, if you run your own business, or anything else in between, you are in the right place. Today we are featuring a tool that will not only save you money, but also save you time, allow you to have a real good time while doing it because it's easy to use, and give you high quality results. Let me show you exactly what I mean. Now, making original music has always meant one of two things. Either you learn an instrument, you learn how to mix, you learn mastering, and a whole lot more. And this, of course, takes years to get really good at. Or you pay someone to do all of that for you, and you hope that they understand what your vision is. The fact of the matter is that neither of these options is a quick one. Neither option is cheap, and well, if you are just looking for a single track for a video, or a brand, or a single project, or honestly, if you just want to have some fun and create some music, that's a massive amount of friction standing between you and the finished song. MusicCreator.ai actually cuts that down to two very simple things: describe it or write it. That's the whole barrier to entry right now. And if you want to try this for yourself, the link is actually in the description down below. If you use it, you will get a few free credits to play around with. So go ahead, check it out, make a track, and link it in the comment section down below. I'd love to hear what you've created. Okay, so if you clicked on that link in the description down below, you'll find yourself right over here. And what we want to do is we're going to focus on the AI music generator up on the top left over here. Now, you can make songs up to 8 minutes long, which is fantastic because a lot of the tools that you use actually only give you like 1 or 2 minutes. Some even give you like 30 seconds to a minute. So this is great. So what we want to do here is make sure that we're on the AI music generator. Here we want to click on prompt, and here we want to insert a prompt. Now, I have pre-written a prompt. I want to create an upbeat piano track with bass and drums, almost like a classical piece of music, but with some hip-hop vibes to it. That's what I want. Now, over here, you can see that you can have prompts that have been saved, which you can just do by clicking on this save button right over here. You can also go and add audio. So you can upload a backing track, you can upload vocals, you can upload whatever it is. You can even record it right here in the app. Then we have, if we do want to add lyrics, we can click on this and it'll go down to here and it'll say own lyrics. Here we can include an audio or a persona, but for now I'm going to just remove all the lyrics because I don't want any lyrics. And what I want to do is I want to check this button which says instrumental only, which means it will hard wire no lyrics or any vocals into my music. Now down over here you can see there is some inspiration, so we've got different genres of music, and we're going to go over here and we're going to click on more, and here there are additional genres. So here you can choose from hip hop, different types of hip hop, jazz, reggae, pop. I mean, whatever you click on, it'll just add it to whatever it is that you are making here. So let's just say like reggae. As you see over here, it literally just adds that in there. Okay, you can see that there are different moods as well, so you can change how the music actually feels, and then you can add different instruments over here. Because I've already added in piano track, right, I'm gonna leave it as is. And then if you are looking to create like ambient music, maybe you want some bird sounds or some waves or whatever the case may be, you can see that this is over here. Now I'm gonna put in vinyl over there. I'm just gonna remove the reggae, okay, because I don't want any reggae vibes in here. And now we can go down and we can click on generate music. So just quickly, if you are already thinking about what you'd make with this tool, smash that like button. It really helps me out, and link a project that you have worked on with this tool down below in the comment section. I love music and I'd love to hear what you've created with this tool. Now, while that's generating, you'll see on the right hand side that it'll generate 2 tracks. Now, if it is included with your lyrics, it will have the same lyrics. So you will get 2 slightly different songs. They will sound different, but it's nice that it generates 2 because you have the option to choose from both of them depending on what exactly you're looking for. So while we're waiting for that, you can see over here on the left hand side, you'll have the AI lyrics generator. Here, basically, I've already given a title and a prompt, and basically I've just given it an idea of what I want. And here, again, at the bottom, you can change the settings. So the mood, you can change how it feels. The structure. So if you're going verse, chorus, bridge, AABA, ABA, BCB, or you just want it free form, that's how we want to do that. Okay, then we've got the style. We're looking for hip hop, electronic, folk, jazz, whatever the case may be. And then you can also change the language. Okay, so I think this is amazing. We can go and we can say French, and then you can generate this. All right, so I'm gonna erase this because I've already created lyrics like this, and I'm gonna go ahead and put in a new prompt. So I'm just saying the rough days of hustling hard. It's just a random idea. And if you can't think of anything, there is a little dice or a die button, and you can click this and literally it'll give you a random prompt. Okay, so here it says write lyrics about a woman returning to her hometown in autumn and walking along Plane Tree Avenue, blah blah. Okay, great. You can hit it again, it'll change what it says. Okay, so what we're looking for, okay, we are going to change some of the mood over here. So maybe we don't want it to be hip hop. Let's say we want it to be like electronic, and we are going to keep it in French because I think that's awesome. And you're going to say generate now. So what it's going to do, as you can see over here, it's literally going to generate lyrics. And what you can then do is take these lyrics. Okay, so you can see here, these are the lyrics that are generated for you in this structure that you asked it to. And once that's done, you'll be able to either download this as an SRT file, or you can click on generate music. And what happens is when you click on generate music, it actually throws this prompt back in here. Okay, so the AI music generator, if you go right over here at the top, the prompt is what type of music it'll be, and then the own lyrics over here, you can see that these lyrics have been added in here. So I'm just going to remove them just for example purposes, but you can see that this is where you'll add your lyrics for this prompt. Now, the 2 tracks that were created with this prompt, let's go ahead and have a listen to them. I think that sounds good. Let's hear this one. So now once you are done reviewing your tracks, you can actually go ahead and there are a few options. Okay, so if you hit these 3 dots over here, you can remix or edit this. Okay, so over here, you're able to turn this song directly into a music video, which I'll actually cover in another video. I will link it in the description down below. You can also go ahead here. They have a cover option, so you can actually make a cover of this song. You can extend the song. Let's say it's 2 minutes 28 seconds. Let's say you want to make it like 5 minutes, whatever the case may be. Then we have a vocal remover, the stem splitter. You can use the style and the lyrics from this track and recreate, and then you can replace a section of the song, and then you can also mash it up with another song. Let's say you want to organize yourself, you can move it to different folders. Let's say you have different genres or whatever the case may be, and then you can share this track, which would be shared within this app. Okay, and then of course what we want to do is we want to download it. So we can download it as an MP3, a WAV, an FLAC audio. You can download the commercial license, and then you can also download the cover image, which is this image right over here. And if you are selecting multiple, so if you go ahead and you click over here, you can select whatever you want to download, and you can download all of them together. Now, let's say you want to create a workflow that you can really create music like on quickly and easy, like on a quick and easy basis. Go to whichever AI bot you use. Go to ChatGPT, I use Perplexity, and go ahead and give it a prompt like this. It says, I want you to give me 5 prompts for AI music generator. I want you to add in as much detail as possible, including the BPM, the mood, etc. Your first task is to create a prompt for Caribbean reggae with old school vibe. Go ahead, hit that. And now, if you are using Perplexity, you can go ahead and save this as a space. You can just come back here. Okay, and it'll just always remember that this is its instruction. And you can see here are the prompts. Now, all I have to do, let's just say I want to take this. We're going to take this and we are going to copy this. Great. Let's go back here. We're going to put it in here. Okay, of course, you can prompt this just to give you shorter prompts. And now, if you want another 5, all you have to do is type in what genre you want, and you can have it created, and you can do this quickly and a lot easier than you having to write out the prompts for yourself. So the gap between I have an idea for a song and I have a finished song used to take weeks, or even a check that you had to write, and it's sometimes not very pretty. Now it's a description and a couple of clicks. That's the entire point of MusicCreator.ai. You write it, you generate it, you sing it, you remix it, you turn it into a music video, whatever, and it's all done in one single place. Everything that you need to get started is in the description down below. So go and make something amazing, go and explore, and keep on asking yourself, ladies and gentlemen, what's next? Wait, don't go. Right, so this video over here will help you create thumbnails within a few clicks so that you can create thumbnails for those music videos that you're about to create. So go ahead and click on this, and I'll see you over there.